A lot of you have been clearly missing out on how to make money in social media in 2025. I came with good news for you guys because I've been able to make 1 million and more on social media without going viral. So you don't literally have to go viral for you to make money on this internet that we see here. You can see the likes of people that are so popular. You can see if they tell you how much they make, you'll be surprised. I know of a content creator friend that I know. She used her content creator money to buy car. She used her content creator money to build a hotel. I mean, she runs a hotel at the moment. So you guys are slacking if you're not on social media. So I'm going to be listing up the social media app that you can use to make money in this 2025. So if you're a young girl, you're a teenager, you just got into school, you need something to be doing so that you can be fetching you money for yourself and all of that. I'm going to be teaching you what to do in this video. So you guys make sure that you clock in into this video so you can learn and learn and learn. So it will be very easy for you to make money even while you sleep, because social media is the right tool for you to use to make money while you're sleeping. So it's just like you're sleeping and your money is what is making, like the money is accumulating for you guys. So the number one we're going to be talking about is the easiest like that I know, because I didn't start with this particular one when I entered into content creation. I didn't start with this particular one I'm going to be mentioning, but guys, I feel that when you go viral on this particular app, it will be very easy for you to go viral on any other app, because that app is very, very easy to blow you up. Like when you are blown on that app, a lot of people get to know you because that app is something that is very, very far. People flip easily. People flip easily on that app. So that app is TikTok. Yes, guys, TikTok. So you need to be creating content every day. If you're a student, you're going to school, you should be creating a day in your life. Or if you are somebody that learned one or two things, maybe you're a hairstylist, or maybe you're a chef, you know how to cook and all of that, you're a makeup artist, you need to be creating content. When you go to make up your client, make sure that you do a start to finish makeup tutorial, that's step by step makeup tutorial. So you guys, that's one of the things that you need to do so that you can be able to have something that you'll be posting all the time. If you're a caterer, like somebody you bake, you can bake cake, do step by step tutorials and post. These are some of the things that you have to do. Then when you're going to class, when you wake up in the morning, you're doing your skincare routine and all of that, you can record that and post. To me, what I believe is that anything is content. I can just wake up in the morning. I don't need to look all dull up before I come in to do my makeup. So if you know how to edit, you can just go in and edit your face and all of that. So you don't need to be really, really like, you don't need to be really kit up before you can come in and create a content. Anything can be your content. You can just wake up in the morning. That's why I love that TikTok app, because it's very easy. All you have to do is just turn your head. You can just sing along to the rhythms of the music, and then you can just go viral. So once they're always consistent like that, you can be able to fetch you a lot of money. So on TikTok, I've been able to make over 1 million plus in just 5 months. I was not really consistent because I have kids, but just because of the time I've been very consistent, I've been able to make such amount of money. So just imagine you that is single, that don't have anything disturbing, you can make a lot of money using these TikTok apps. Another one is the another one again is Instagram. Yes, Instagram is an app that people are using to make a lot of money. If you see the content creators, skit makers, and all of that, they make a lot of money on that app. So you guys make sure that you're posting every day, because you guys are missing up a lot. You don't need to even do too much. You don't need to answer questions. You don't need to do surveys for it to even, because there are other apps that you can use to make money. But this is something that I'm telling you, just like when you just bought data, you don't want to waste your data. Then you have to just come in and post every day so that they recognize that when you go viral, you don't even need to go viral. I didn't go viral before I started earning that amount of money on TikTok. So you don't need to go viral for it to actually make it on TikTok. You just have to show up every day. The other one is YouTube. That's the almighty YouTube that we are here. YouTube is evergreen, right? So you can be doing YouTube for a year, 2 years, but when they remember you and your video goes viral, you're going to be a billionaire. I tell you guys, you're going to be a millionaire. So you want to make sure that you're posting every day, even on the threads that is linked up with Instagram. People make money there. On Facebook, hey, Facebook is the one that is actually trending at the moment, and because it's it's eligible in Nigeria now, people are making money in Nigeria now. So it's kind of easy to go viral when you're consistent. If you're consistent, so everything I've said is consistency. If you're somebody that is consistent, you're not using your phone to do irrelevant things, you can just be creating your content every day. Show up every day. You don't know the video that will just push you up, and a lot of people will get to know you. And Facebook, they have a different method whereby they pay you. So in another video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to make money in using each of these platforms, in each of these apps that I mentioned for you now. So you guys make sure that you wake up today and create that content today, because that's what to push people to watch your videos and you get engagement. Engagement is what keeps you to go viral. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share this video. I'll see you again.